What does collaboration mean to you? Is it about working together, staying connected? Maybe it's sharing results. For data insight, collaboration means Power BI. Power BI delivers live dashboards that you can share with colleagues on the fly to keep your team on the same page. It alerts you about changes so you can ping team members for information. It keeps you connected from anywhere on almost any device. Lets you present complex analysis through striking interactive presentations. And it provides strong privacy and security settings so you can have the confidence of safety in numbers. Power BI puts the power in collaboration. Now that you've seen some of what Power BI can do for you and your business, it's your turn to try. Get Power BI for free right now at powerbi.com.